Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, Gravon Cars. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated plug-in hybrids of 2026, the BYD SEAL U DM-i. This midsize SUV from the rapidly rising Chinese automaker BYD is making waves globally with its smart hybrid tech, refined design, and competitive pricing. So buckle up as we take a closer look at what makes the 2026 SEAL U DM-i stand out in an increasingly crowded market. Starting with the exterior, the SEAL U DM-i follows BYD's ocean aesthetics design language. It's a sleek, modern SUV that balances elegance with athleticism. The front fascia is clean and futuristic, featuring sharp LED headlights that blend into a minimalist grille, a hallmark of the brand's hybrid and electric lineups. Along the sides, you'll notice flowing character lines, flush door handles, and subtle chrome accents that add a premium feel. The roofline has a slight slope toward the rear, giving it a coupe-like silhouette without sacrificing rear headroom. At the back, the LED taillight bar stretches across the width, enhancing its road presence, while a sculpted bumper completes the sporty look. It's a vehicle that will turn heads without shouting for attention. Inside, the SEAL U DM-i offers a clean and modern cabin layout. You get a large floating touchscreen in the center, a digital driver display, and a mix of soft-touch materials throughout. BYD continues to impress with its use of high-quality finishes at this price point. There's ample space for 5 adults, and the panoramic sunroof adds an airy feel to the cabin. It's practical, stylish, and loaded with technology, including voice control and OTA updates. Now let's talk performance. The SEAL U DM-i is powered by BYD's latest DM-i plug-in hybrid system, which combines a 1.5-liter gasoline engine with an electric motor. Depending on the variant, you'll get either a 10.08 kWh or 18.3 kWh battery, offering an impressive all-electric range of up to 125 kilometers, around 78 miles under WLTC standards. The hybrid system prioritizes electric driving, making it highly fuel-efficient for both city commutes and longer highway trips. Acceleration is smooth and responsive, with 0 to 100 km/h times ranging from 7.5 to 9 seconds depending on the configuration. The ride quality is refined, and road noise is well controlled, ideal for families or anyone looking for a quiet, comfortable drive. Safety has clearly been a priority for BYD. The SEAL U DM-i is equipped with a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition. It also comes with multiple airbags, a 360-degree camera system, and intelligent parking assistance. BYD has aimed to meet or exceed global safety standards, and the SEAL U DM-i is expected to score well in crash tests once assessed by European and international agencies. So what makes this car unique? First, it's BYD's hybrid technology. Their DM-i system is tuned for maximum efficiency and minimal fuel use, unlike many other PHEVs that focus on performance. Second, its electric-only range is class-leading, making it viable for daily electric driving. And finally, the level of technology and finish inside the cabin puts it in competition with more expensive European brands, but at a fraction of the cost. Speaking of price, the 2026 BYD SEAL U DM-i is expected to start around $28,000 for the base trim and go up to roughly $35,000 for higher-end variants with the larger battery and more features. This aggressive pricing strategy makes it a serious contender in the midsize SUV market, especially for buyers looking to go green without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the 2026 BYD SEAL U DM-i is a strong statement from BYD. It's stylish, efficient, spacious, and packed with cutting-edge tech and safety. Whether you're an eco-conscious urban driver or a family looking for a versatile SUV, this plug-in hybrid deserves a place on your shortlist. Thanks for watching Gravon Cars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car reviews and updates. See you next time.